Today we are going to discuss about the process of asexual reproduction. As multicellular organisms, unicellular also perform process of reproduction to continue their generation. But unicellular organisms perform asexual reproduction, which involves involvement of only one organism, which divides itself to form a new organism. Here we have different type of asexual reproduction. First one is fission. Here the organism divides itself into two new daughter cells, each develop into a new organism. In fission we have two types of fission, binary fission and multiple fission. Example, amoeba. As amoeba do not have any specific shape, it divides itself into any plane. Binary fission in Lieshmania. Lieshmania divides in vertical plane. It has particular body shape. As Lieshmania is a parasite, it causes disease called Kala Azar. Multiple fission. Multiple fission we are going to find in Plasmodium vivax. A cyst-like structure forms around the cell membrane of Plasmodium. Inside that cell membrane, nucleus will undergo division. The cyst formed during the unfavorable condition. As it get favorable condition, the cyst get open. The nuclei get released out. Each nuclei will develop into a new individual. Next we are going to find the fragmentation. In this type of reproduction, the body of organism splits into small fragments. Each fragment will develop into a new individual. Example is the Spirogyra. Another one is the regeneration. This type of reproduction occurs in multicellular organisms when there is any dangerous condition or the organism splits its body into smaller pieces. Each one develop into a new individual. Example, Planaria and Hydra. Budding. It is also a type of asexual reproduction in which a bud-like structure will develop on parent body. As this new bud gets developed, it gets separate from the parent body and forms a new individual. Example, Hydra. Vegetative propagation. It is a type of asexual reproduction which we found in plants. Here, reproduction takes place from vegetative part other than the reproductive part, such as root, stem, leaf. Example is the Bravophyllum leaf. As leaf fall on the ground, the buds present on the marginal side of the leaf develop into a new plant. This process occurs naturally. Another one we have the spore formation. This type of asexual reproduction we are going to observe in Rhizopus, known as bread mold. A thread-like structure develops on the bread, and on that thread-like structure knob will develop in which spores are produced. Each spore will develop into a new individual. Like natural vegetative propagation, we have some of the ideas on artificial vegetative propagation. We have three types of that: cutting, grafting and layering. In cutting, here part of the stem has been taken and get planted into the soil and it develops into a new plant. Example is the sugarcane. In layering, the one branch of a plant which is not completely separated from the parent plant get digged into the soil. On that branch, small shoot system and root system will develop. As this system grow, the branch gets separated from the parent body. Example is the raspberry. Grafting. Two different parts of the plant join together to grow as one. The upper part is called scion and lower part is called rootstock. Example, grafting in rose. Next we have tissue culture. Here new plant is developed by taking certain cells of the parent plant from growing tip of a plant. The cells are then placed in an artificial medium where they divide rapidly to form a small group of cells known as callus. Now this callus is transferred to a medium containing hormone for growth and differentiation. Now the plantlets are placed in the soil so they can grow into mature plant. Using tissue culture, many plants can be grown from one parent in disease-free condition. This technique is commonly used for ornamental plants.